Welcome to quizfunfest. Ready for a trivia quest? Then let's go. Here's the first one. Who is a character from The Lord of the Rings? Is it Hermione, Gandalf, or Dumbledore? It's Gandalf. The others are from the Harry Potter series. Number 2. What is the shape of the popular Indian snack samosa? Is it oval, triangle, or round? Right, it's a triangle. Number 3. In which country is the Chichen Itza? Mexico, Chile, or Brazil? It's in Mexico. Hit like if you got this right. How many pairs of ribs are found in the human body? 6, 8, or 12? Number 5. Which superhero does actor Benedict Cumberbatch play in the Marvel series? No options for this one. Doctor Strange. Enjoying the quiz? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 6. Which city is known as the Big Easy? New Orleans, New Jersey, or New York? It's New Orleans. Number 7. Tapas is from which culture? Greek, Italian, or Spanish? It's Spanish. Number 8. What art form describes decorative handwriting? Origami, calligraphy, or pyrography? Right, it's calligraphy. Number 9. Which is the flag of Romania? A, B, or C? It's A. Number 10. What is the term for digital money that operates without a central bank? No options for this one. Cryptocurrency. Did you get this? Here's a bonus one. What kind of animal is a herring? Bird, fish, or reptile? Share your answer in the comments below. Number 11. What is the capital of Ireland? Dublin, Vienna, or Lisbon? It's Dublin. Number 12. Which of these is the mythical creature centaur? A, B, or C? It's B. A centaur is half horse and half man. Number 13. What is the main ingredient of rum? Is it blue agave, sugarcane, or barley? Right, it's sugarcane. Number 14. Rickets is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? B, C, or D? It's vitamin D. Number 15. What are Van Dyke, mutton chops, and gunslinger types of? No options for this one. Right, they are popular beard styles. Number 16. As per SI, what is the unit of measurement for force? Newton, joule, or watt? Newton. What does the internet acronym AMA stand for? About my act? Or add my act? Or ask me anything? Right, it's ask me anything. Number 18. Mojito originated from which country? Mexico, Cuba, or Costa Rica? Cuba. Number 19. What is nigiri a type of? Sushi, tea or ramen? Right, it's a type of sushi. Number 20. Share a word which can be used with the words camera, cinnamon, and over. There are no options for this one. Roll. Did you get it? Number 21. How many major islands are the Hawaii Islands made of? 6, 7, or 8? 8. In 1997, which company did Microsoft save from bankruptcy? Apple, LinkedIn, or Skype? It was Apple. Surprised? Which scientist has made the most inventions? Newton, Edison, or Einstein? It's Edison. Which dance form is inspired by Spanish bullfight? Merengue, flamenco, or paso doble? Paso doble. Number 25. Which country has the longest name? No options for this one. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Number 26. Which animal may eat its own kind when hungry? Is it scorpion, snake, or crab? Scorpion. Number 27. What are teeth? Are they organs, bones, or tissue? Right, they are bones. Number 28. Which of these is the symbol for USB? A, B, or C? The right symbol is A. Number 29. What fruit is a cross between a pomelo and an orange? Grapefruit, mandarin, or tangerine? That's right, grapefruit. Number 30. What is the plural of cactus? Cacti, cactus, or cacti? It's cacti. Choose your next challenge from those shown.